Okay, fourth graders, today I'm going to talk to you about finding common denominators. Being able to find a common denominator with two fractions. And remember, I've talked to you before about comparing apples to apples and oranges to oranges. In other words, if I look at 2/3 and 3/4 and I want to add that or subtract it or compare it, it's just a little bit difficult for me to see. So one way that I can see it easily is if I make it into apples and oranges and oranges. So we do that by making it the same. And the identity property, it can help us do that because we know that we can generate a fraction using that. So what I'm going to do is I look at 3 and 4 are my denominators, and to do that, I know that if I multiply 3 times 4, I'm going to get 12. Okay, or the commutative property, 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, so this is the commutative property. That can help me as well. Commutative. Okay, and so I'm going to turn 2/3 and 3/4 into 12ths. So I would turn 2/3 into 12ths by multiplying by 4/4, which is the identity property. Anytime I multiply a number by 1, I get the same number. And so in fractions, that's helpful because I can get it in the with a denominator that I can use and recognize easily. 2/3 times 4/4, 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 equals 12. And I'm going to change 3/4 into 12ths by multiplying by 3/3, the identity property. 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 3 is 12. So now, recognizing 9/12 and 8/12 is a lot easier for me to see than 2/3 and 3/4. For example, I can see that 9/12 is greater than 8/12 very easily. I can add these 8/12 plus 9/12, and I can see that that is 17/12. And if I wanted to subtract, I could do 9/12, subtract 8/12, and I would get 1/12. And then comparing them, of course, 8/12 is less than 9/12. So by getting the common denominator, it just helps me see my fractions easily and quickly. Thank you.